Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman. Today we're going to look at a Harris 230 cruiser. Our phone number here is 704-997-2168. This Harris 230 cruiser is powered with a Mercury 200 horsepower 4-stroke engine. It has a 4-step boarding ladder, ski tow bar, pop-up cleats. This is the center walk-through version. Twin captain's chairs. JL audio stereo system with your depth finder, tachometer, speedometer, fuel gauge, trim gauge. Large walk-through door on the side as well as the front. Plenty of seating in the front. And a center walk-through in the rear, as well as a large bimini top in full cover. This is the Harris 230 cruiser. If you'd like to come by and see us at MarineMax Lake Norman and look at this Harris 230 cruiser, I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168.